Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this 2013 Toyota Corolla S model, the sporty edition, the beautiful blue color, tinted windows, alloy wheels, keyless entry. Let's get into it. 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, very nice, long lasting, reliable motor, very fuel efficient. Clean and clear headlights, LED, also lower fog lights. Now this is renowned as one of the most reliable vehicles on the used car market, so if you're looking for that ultimate used car, this is it. New General tires all the way around. A few scratches and paint faded areas. Outside of the vehicle's a little rougher than typically we get in, but comes with a couple glove box compartments, stereo, AM, FM, USB connectivity, charging port, automatic transmission, cup holders, and then up top we got dual vanity mirrors, map lighting, and power options include windows, locks, and mirrors. So there's some scratches up on each side of the corners of the fenders there, and then just worn moldings and some paint, clear coat missing. Factory all-weather floor mats throughout. Good down this back half of the vehicle. Got a little, some residue there on the bumper. Comes with spare tire only. And then S model with the rear spoiler. Looks very nice, that updated, revised. A few scratches on the corner. Little paint fade here, paint fading here, and up top here. The paint on these cars was never excellent from the factory. Some scratching there, so just kind of highlighting more scratching here. Power windows, locks. This is faded here on this armrest, and then the emblem's a little faded. So DRLs, side view mirror switch, multi-function wheel for stereo controls, cruise control, and then headlights, fog lights, interval front wipers. All those touch points look really good, but as you can see here, the screen has got some sun fading on it. So the vehicle did spend a lot of time out in the sun, obviously, and Florida got the best of it. But only warning light on the dash is tire pressure sensor, and then 122,000 original miles. Revs up nicely, idles smoothly, ice cold AC. Now this is a 2-owner, no reported accident vehicle, auto check certified. So good pedigree there. Interior is nice, and just cosmetic flaws on that exterior is just all you're going to see. I mean, it doesn't detract from how great the car is, and priced accordingly based off of the condition for that. So if you're looking for a nice, reliable vehicle, really strikingly good looking, but can accept a few flaws, then look no further than this 2013 Toyota Corolla S. You can find this Corolla exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. And I thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.